camera where I've just filmed this whole video. Imagine I just filmed this whole video, yeah. I watch it back on time lapse. You can't even change it back to normal. DJI, I get the car slow. Doesn't mean you have to time lapse it to make it look quicker. I don't understand how. I don't get it. When I started recording, it was on video mode. I always do a test video and it was fine. How did it go on to time lapse? No one touched it. I'm trying to be positive. You know, you try to think positively as much as you can, but then like 3 negative things happen. It tests you, mate, but we're still gonna try and be positive. You know, I feel like sometimes we just forget about the things in life. Like we just take advantage of. What are you lot doing? Having a staring contest? Yeah. The bosses are having a I think I'm just gonna. Are they just having a staring contest then? Come on, man. I mean, it's not easy driving a bus. But yeah, what was I saying? What the fuck was I saying? I mean, what lovely thing was I saying? Like, I'm taking my anger out on this car. I need to remember that sometimes this is someone's pride and joy. Like, someone looks forward to getting their car. Some people can't drive. They have disabilities that prevents them from driving, or financial situations, or whatever reason. They can't drive, mate. I feel like living in a country like this, take a lot of stuff for granted. The fact that you can walk into a shop and get a whole chicken and then just cook it with facilities that are in your house and then eat it is just... Are you deep in how privileged we are to be able to have not even have to hunt an animal, wait weeks for it to be a rarity. The fact that we can just have a whole chicken for lunch, like just an element of the day, we eat it without even looking at it, like while we're on our phone. Someone on a different part of the world, that's like a once in a year treat. Some people might not even ever get to taste a chicken. Like, I'm not even waffling, I'm being dead serious. I promise you I'm being serious. Bro, this sun is pissing me off. But some people, they don't even get the sun in their country. Well, that's not everyone's got the sun in their country. Yo, if you ain't got the sun in your country, move country. At that point, you're not making out of the hood if you ain't got sun in your country. Imagine going to a country and the sun's not there. Like, the sun is this big thing. Like, the sun lights up everything. And the fact that it's avoided your country goes to show that God has his favourites. I don't think it's even possible. It's pissing me off, man. I feel like every car I'm behind happens to turn off at that very junction. But it must be a privilege. Sometimes you gotta appreciate, like, the fact that he can go home to his house, a place he calls home, a roof over his head. Like, there's people out here who don't have a house, don't have a roof over their head. They would do anything to even live in a tent. But can you imagine not having a tent? You ain't got a house, fair enough, I get it. You ain't got a tent, come on, man. Get yourself a lovely Avington 2-door, a mallet, some strings, get yourself a tent, mate. You don't even need a tent, you just need some tarpaulin and some sticks, mate. You ain't got tarpaulin and sticks? Come on, bro. You're struggling, mate. Don't you think, I find it so... No, wait, I'm gonna say something negative again. Mate, this sun just... No, it's good, I'm getting my vitamin D in. It's been dark for so long, I ain't had D in ages. You stop f***ing tailgating me in Fiesta, it's not that quick, mate. Settle down with your little 1.2. Get to know 1.3, mate. Don't be trying to do that, though. Oh, yeah, mature. Oh, so mature. Oh, it could be worse. You could be like him, you could be dead. See, all these things mean so much to you now, but we all end up as a skeleton in a grave, innit? Like, real talk. I'm not even just trying to, I'm talking about this today. Like, that can be you. That will literally be you. Why would you hire? That's so Bradford, if you ask me. Even when you're dead, you're hiring out a Rolls Royce. Give it up now, man. You're dead, you're still renting cars. Nah, but honestly, don't think it's mad that anything we achieve here, we all end up the same. We all end up in the grave. I don't think that should stop you from wanting to achieve things, but I'm just saying, bear it in mind sometimes. When you get angry over little things, just remember, we all die. Enjoy it while you're here. Don't spend your whole life being negative. Oh, fuck off. Hurry up, you foot. So every time I film a video as well, there's just traffic. Like, I drive about here all the time and I don't really stop this much. The second I put a camera on, it's just stop. Oh, he needs to indicate left. Oh, he lives here, fair enough. And then the guy in front lives there, he lives there. They're all turning off home. Oh my God, bruh. Am I being tailgated by a hearse? Fuck that, make it look like I'm not trying. Yo, this car is slow, this car's wang. It's so slow. Yo, they're speeding, bruv. I want a front row seat in heaven. Mate, can you see anything? Like, am I even recording for any reason whatsoever? Because I just did this whole video and it was sick, and then it just wasn't recording, and I just did the whole thing for fun. You didn't even merge, mate. I gave you time and you're still not here. The speed limit is 50. Do f***ing 50. Don't be doing 15. Now he thinks I'm a twat as well because I was trying to be polite. trying to be polite. Honestly, don't let these little things get to you, man. There's no point getting wound up over something you can't really control. Like, if you're sat in traffic, for example, why get wound up about it? Because chances are you're not the reason there's traffic, so you might as well just smile through it and come out the other end in a happier mood as opposed to being angry through it and then coming out the other end at the exact same time you would have while you were happier. Fuck this, man. Levels is real. I got smoked by a Kia Sportage, mate. I used to drive a Volkswagen Golf R, now I'm getting smoked by a Kia Sportage. Yo, you lot seen the new Prius? Looks kind of... I think it looks shit. I was speaking to some guys yesterday, they were saying it looks sick. I weren't really feeling it. It looks better than the other one, don't get me wrong. It looks much better than the old one. I wouldn't say it looks good, though. I keep landing these lot, man. So it's some weird French 7-seater that I'm always stuck behind. Can't lie, my negativity's pissing me off now. It's gonna rub off on you lot. Don't let this ruin your day. Think bike. Fuck getting a bike, mate. I was thinking get a slow economical car, and now I'm having second thoughts about that. Thinking of getting a quicker one, and they're on about think about getting a bike. Boys, remember, if you want to sell me your car, make sure you don't give me no retail prices, retard prices. Give me a proper price where I can make my drink as well, and I'll take it off your hands. And better, I'll even come and potentially, you might even just end up meeting my mate. Might come and collect it from you, you never know. It's worth a shot. Let's just get a little debate going. Do you not think the earth's flat, or do you think it's round? Like the video if you think it's flat, and then comment if it's round. I just had to get 2 new front arms in, and the fucking suspension was on its way, that stupid hole in the road, so the earth's clearly not flat. I don't even have to do that. I'm just deeper. Why am I, if I don't want to film a video, then why am I filming it? Like, no one tells me what to do in terms of like my video schedule. It's just me. I've gone out of my way to do something that I didn't want to do. I'm the idiot here. Oh, what do you lot reckon to this? Oh, it's fucking deflated. Little Halloween spider. I can use that to hide the speedo. And now we're in the Halloween spirit. You see how many potholes is here? You see in this? You can never get a moment's peace in this city with these potholes. All you can hear rattle, rattle, rattle. And you lot are trying to tell me the earth's flat. Fuck off. But mind you, I don't think it's round either. You know, I don't give a shit. It's not like I'll ever see it. Oh, but that's where we live, it's so important. And how many bricks is on your house? You don't know that, you're in and out there every day. We've just got to be grateful that we have the technology, that what we have. Red Bull thingy. They piss me off, you know. They take your picture every time they give you one. Because once I've gone up to it and they've given me a Red Bull, I'm like, yeah, I'll take a Red Bull. And then they start taking my picture and put me on Facebook, mate. Now I look like some skivvy trying to take some free Red Bull. Well, this is a riveting conversation. Autumn leaves when it's off then. It's just a bin bag. You know what, a balloon is just like a bin bag on steroids. You know that, innit? That's all it is. There's nothing special. Balloon. My kid ever wants a balloon, I'm punching it. Whoa, I'm going into my nose then, mate. Do you not know what ramen is? Some guy was like, oh, get ramen, it's sick. And I'm not usually one to like listen. First of all, listen to people's advice who are complete losers. And second of all, I don't eat food where I don't know what it means. Fucking ramen, like what the fuck's a ramen? Ramen, you know what I mean? That's what ramen is. Don't know why you lot turned it into some pie, mate. So I've ordered ramen. I swear to God, I'm not even lying, not even being sarcastic. If I'm lying, I'm dying, mate, yeah? The guy comes out, he gives me pasta, but he's not drained the water, and he's put a bit of meat in it. That's ramen. Ramen. So you know when you're making pasta, just before you finish, you've got ramen. If you want to go the extra mile, go ahead, but these new lot, they've got ramen. Ramen. You know what? I don't even eat this new. This is weird. No, I don't even think it's new. It's new to me, innit? Let me get it. Look, sipping boba. It's tea, yeah, with balls in it. Does that not seem a little bit gay to you? On about boba. Update on car, by the way. This is still my daily. Not having a car with a good fuel tank has made me deep that I need a car. This 80 horsepower, 60 horsepower, it can't really run. You literally can't run, mate. Can't run around anything. That It's such a sexy car. Bit out of my price range though. I mean, obviously everyone in the comments can afford, yeah bro, I've got a GA, I've got 3 G80s. When my SD card's running low in it, I need to say something. I'm going to try and just say something positive. Something that will stick with you for the rest of your day. So I feel like most videos on YouTube, including mine, you watch it and then when it's finished you can't even remember what happened in it 30 minutes later. They're just meaningless. So I'm not saying my channel's not meaningless. My channel's pretty wank. What I'm about to tell you is going to change your life. You're the captain. No, be the captain of your own ship. And that's not even what I've got pinched off Google. I've made that up myself just now. And what I'm trying to say is what I'm advocate of believing in. Just trust your gut. I feel like a lot of people these days, they don't. They get told something and they're just asking someone who they think's got a lot of experience. I feel like there's a lot of overthinkers these days, and they're always asking an ex-man like, is this the right thing? Is this the best thing I can do? Mate, sometimes you just gotta trust your gut. Trust yourself. You think that lowly of yourself that you're not even gonna ask yourself something so basic about your life. Remember, it's your life. If you make a mistake, you won't make it again. That's my advice, mate. Just sometimes just trust your gut and make decisions by yourself without anyone else's hand. I promise you'll be a happier person. Would you look at that? I actually giving you some actual advice. Fucking hell. That's even made me happy knowing that indicate your